Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to review a very nice product, So any guesses? So yes guys, I'm reviewing Egte lip and cheek tint. So it's a beetroot one which I have, if you can see. So let's start from the packaging of this product. So guys, I got this product in a small box. It was a nice one, and inside it looks like this. So it's made up of, I think, plastic, and then if you will open this, you'll find the beetroot lip and cheek tint, which looks absolutely like, I'll just swatch it for you if you can see it. So I got it on an offer. It is from the Active official site, and there was the 20% off, 20 or 25% off. So I got it for around $5.99, I guess, and the actual price is for $7.99. So at present they are running a great discount, that is 25% off on the Active official all the products, right? So now they have come up with the 3 colors. One is this one is the rose gold, pink one, and then one is the orange one, right? So there must be many of you who must be thinking that whether we should buy this product or not. बहुत सारे लोगों के कार्ट में भी होगा product, but I want to give you a very genuine review of this product, a very genuine one. That is, guys, this is for $5.99. Okay, after discount I got it for $5.99, which is, I think it is not worth for money because there is no applicator. Again, you are using your fingers to apply it on your lips or your cheeks, on your eyelids, anywhere. So I think that Egte should give an applicator with this one. Next important thing is, guys, that it is very slippery. That means it is like a complete balm. So once you apply it on your lips, and as soon as you eat something or drink something, it goes and it sticks over the glass as well. So for example, like if you can see it on my finger like this, and if I do like this, it will easily be transferred. So it is not a transfer proof balm. The third thing, guys, I felt is that the smell or the fragrance is not great. Though there are many bloggers and many people, those who are promoting this product, but I want to be very genuine with you guys. That is, it has that smell and it has that fragrance like a medicine you can relate to, like a medicine of a baby. So you can relate the fragrance to that kind. Guys, if you are someone, those who really want a lip or a cheek tint which is very good in fragrance, so this is not the one. Guys, the fourth part is that it is natural, and it is it is been written also that it's a very natural and a beetroot tint. So guys, definitely you can recommend it if you really want to go for a natural one. But I guess that there are many other products available in the market which are natural, and you will get it at the same price. Yes, the same color, if you will apply it, it is like a pink one. So it's like a magenta color which you will get on your lips. Right now I have not applied this beetroot, but if I will apply the same on my lips with this lipstick I have already applied. Like to do a swatch on my cheeks. Right now I haven't applied anything, and please excuse my eyebrows because it's locked down and I have no one to, for my eyebrows or my swatching it on my cheeks now. So see, just the swatch and it's too much. So, oh my god, it looks like someone has slapped me. Okay, on this cheek I'll be applying it just a bit. Okay, now let's see how it works. Oh, so guys, so it is like 100% genuine review, guys. I'm not judging any brand or anything, but it looks really red on my cheeks, if you can see. So, do you also want me to swatch on my eyelids? Let's see how it works. So guys, I genuinely don't want you to see me now. Okay, but you can buy this product if you feel like and you wanna try. Definitely you can go for this. Okay, I hope you will. You also wish to try like me. Okay guys, I hope you have got good information about the Ectay lip and cheek tint. And guys, I have my cousin at my home and she'll be telling me how I look after applying the beetroot on my lips, cheek and tint all together. Yes, so she's Chia and you might have seen her on my vlog. मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ? How's भाभी looking? ये ऐसे लाल परी ऐसा ज़रा चाटे मारने चाहिए ना मुझे, यहाँ भी और यहाँ भी. उसका इफेक्ट मेरा आईलिड्स पे आ गया.
रेडी चीक्स
काफ़ी रेड है ना. सो गाइज एक्चुअली क्या है कि वो ज़रा सा लोगे ना, आप ऐसे टच भी करोगे तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा आ जाता है. सो जब भी आप उसको अप्लाई करें बहुत ऐसे दूर से कर लें, टच भी ना करें पूरा, ऐसे ही दूर से करके और दूर से ही लगा लें. सो इट विल गो ग्रेट. ओके, सो now we have to make reels guys. Okay, bye, say bye to them. Bye.